Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to create signature on your Outlook account. To know how to create signature on your Gmail account, do go to our description below and click on the link given. Now, the first step to create your signature on your Outlook account is to log in. So as you can see, my account is logged in already. We will click on the setting icons and then we will click on view all Outlook settings. As you can see, there are some options: general, mail, calendar, people, and then we also have some more few quick settings over here. So we have to go on mail and then we have to go on compose and reply, which comes under mail. We'll go to compose and reply and we'll add a signature name. So let's say Tech Idea. If you have more than one signature, then you will be able to understand which signature you're going for. So this is not your signature. Whatever details you'll put over here will be the main signature, which will go to your inbox. So I'll put the name here once again, Tech Idea, and I'll put the email address. You can put some other details if you wish. techidea178@gmail.com. Alright, as you can see, I have given the name and my contact detail once again, and I will click on save and the changes are saved. There are some more options. I can customize it, I can add picture, I can use painter, I can also change the font, I can underline them, I can have different colors also if I wish. You can see there are some more options, and then you have this 3-dot icon which will take you to more options. Finally, we come to this option where I can choose whether I would like to have signatures for new messages or no. I can also choose for replies or forwards. The changes are saved over here, and I'll just close this, and we will see how it looks when we give an email, when we send an email to somebody. We'll click on this and let's say hi, and again click on the 3-dot button icon and you will see insert signature, Tech Idea, and you see Tech Idea is given and there is a contact detail given. So I hope this video has taught you something new. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, if you have any requests for any new video, please let us know. Thank you so much. Have a very good day.